This session covers how to preview, add collaborators and share your Google Sites. You should have read over the information above, but this video also goes through it in a little bit more detail for you. The first thing we're going to look at is preview. So we click on the eye icon and your site will then open to show you how your users are going to see your site. You can use the icons down at the bottom to choose how your site will look on different devices. So you can choose phone, tablet or computer, and to close, click the blue X. This takes you back to the editing page and you have all the menu back again. Now we're going to look at adding collaborators or editors, so you can share your website creation with somebody else, so there can be more than one person adding detail. So in the invite people, type the full names or email addresses of the people you want to give edit access to. The same options as with any other document on how you can share that. So when you're ready, click send and then click done. The final thing we're going to look at is publishing. Now your site is not viewable on the internet until you've clicked the big blue publish button. There are a couple of different options depending on what kind of account you've got. Both of them, you will type the name of your site where it says site location. If you are on a school or a business account, you get the options of anyone in your domain or anyone on the web being able to view them. If you have a personal Gmail account, you do not get this option. In both accounts, you do get the option to choose whether your site appears in search engines or not. So you can choose to click this on or off. And once you're ready, click publish, and that means your site is then live. Once your site is live, you get the drop-down menu for the publish options next to the blue button, and there are a couple of things you can do here. The first one we'll look at is the view publish site. So if you click on this, you get to see exactly how your site looks on the internet. The next option we'll look at is the publish settings, and this gives you all the options that we had before we published a site. So even when your site is published, you can go back and change those options and save them at any time. Final thing is to unpublish. This takes your site offline and you lose all the options from the drop down menu.